Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have these navigation lights that you put on the front of your kayak. Basically what you have is it's got this little hook on it, so you can hook it, and then it'll go around the tip of your kayak. Give you kind of an example, and then so you got some navigation, make it more visible during the day. Nighttime if you happen to be out there kayaking, but be safe. But those are pretty cool. So that is your green. So that would be like your front. And this is a red one for the rear of your craft. So that's your red. And I mean, they're pretty bright. I mean, I'm flooded with light here in the studio, and you can see how bright they are. But that is pretty neat. Like I said, it's got that little hook piece to it. More unhooking it than hooking it, but you get the idea. I'll put it on the front. Like I said, it would just be like the tip part of your watercraft. But yeah, pretty cool. These are awesome. Brian from Garage Mahal. Oh, and you also have a white one in here. So that's like your clear. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.